aortic arch.
Right.
Brachiocephalic. And then you have your subclavian. And the left common carotid.
So you know how we learned the 3 trunks of the aorta? So what are shown right here? Just 2?
We have, yeah, so we're looking at the brachiocephalic and then the subclavian.
Subclavian, but
Yeah.
we're not the other one.
No. And then here you have the axillary, just before it branches, and then the brachial.
Good.
And then we have the intercostals, the descending aorta, or yeah. And then the celiac trunk. The left,
Which includes
the left gastric artery, the common hepatic, the splenic,
And where's the spleen on this cowboy?
right here.
Okay.
See, it's broken.
Yeah. Looks like another piece of lung. Or, I mean, liver.
And here is
14?
our superior mesenteric.
Yeah.
Yeah, 14 is the splenic. And then this is the superior mesenteric. Let's see.
Right underneath the trunk of the celiac, right? I always think it's just right inferior of the celiac trunk is where the trunk of the superior mesenteric. Okay.
Yeah. And then, let's see. What happened to 17 here? 17 is supposed to be over here. This is our renal artery. So I'm going to put the pin back in there. Renal artery, suprarenal, which is right here.
Oh, they're
It's
both
really,
very
really
fine.
thin. Yeah.
Oh, are you recording?
And then this here is the abdominal artery.
Aorta. You said artery.
Abdominal aorta.
Oh,
I'm just correcting you so you get it
Thank
right.
you.
You're welcome. It's the aorta because I had to check myself on that
abdominal aorta,
Yeah.
yes. And then we have the inferior mesenteric, the inferior, the internal iliac is here. It's kind of hard to see.
Sorry.
This is the internal, this is the external.
And it branches off
The common.
common.
Common iliac, then you have internal and external iliac. And then you have the femoral.
Great.
No, there's other stuff in here too.
Ready?
Yeah.
Like the renal.
So 19 is the external jugular. 15 right here is the superior vena cava. Then first thing off that is the brachiocephalic,
Your segmental, which is
which
where
is 16.
it branches here.
Then 14
So
is
segmental
subclavian.
goes, and
Then after subclavian it goes to axillary. And after axillary is the brachial.
Okay, so I think John's going to give a male repro tour.
13, the big one underneath here, is the azygos. And 12. Oh wait. Sorry, 12 is azygos. Inside there, and then 13 coming off the azygos is the intercostal
considered
hill.
these as well?
That way.
Okay, so that large blue one is the azygos?
Large blue one coming up here, right here, is the
Azygos.
azygos.
Okay, sweet.
And then coming off of
So
it is the
RQA, they're kind of
intercostals.
arching around the top.
And then
interlocular
21 under here is the splenic vein. It's not blue, but probably won't be tested on it, but it's this one right here. And then 22 would be the suprarenal. It's above the renal, which is 23.
and then after
The renal goes right into the upper part of the kidney. The suprarenal's above it. And then think that's 9 is the testicular, and 11 is inferior vena cava. 10 is lumbar, it goes like perpendicular kind of to the inferior vena cava. 25 is common iliac. 26 way underneath in there is internal iliac.
8 is heading out towards the little dots because that's where your
Okay, I think I see it.
Yeah.
9 is
27 is external iliac, and 28, the big one here, is
So it's just they're
femoral.
all together.
Alright,
So
sweet.
like this is the
Sweet meat.
and you just show them that's different.